Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas and I'm going to be doing another experiment with the Arteza paints. I have crimson red, ultramarine blue, titanium white, and lemon yellow. And these are the colors that I used in a previous painting that cracked. And I did get a comment from Ashley to try to add some Golden GAC 800, so I did that. So I added that to each of the colors, and I'm going to try to do it again. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of prep work, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and covered the canvas with my Behr satin enamel house paint. All my paints are mixed with floetrol and water only. And today I'm going to be using this PVC pipe piece. I think it's a T. I'm not really sure. I was at the hardware store with my husband and saw these, so I thought, what the heck. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to hold it and put that right in the middle. And oh, it might, I doubt if it'll stay. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start with blue, the ultramarine blue, and here we go. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half. Kind of lost track of time again. So I'm going to give you a little close-up. You can see all these natural cells. Got kind of a cool design going on too. And then there's some more cells. And if I can get close enough, you can see that some of these cells are like rainbows. It's really cool. Look at that one, it's so cool. Alright, so I'm super happy with how this is looking so far. So I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll be back to show you. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in for a close-up. You can see that it really dried quite a bit darker. So I'm hoping that once, I seal it, it'll brighten it back up. I did get a little bit of muddiness too, so I'm not really too fond about that, but these cells are still so cool. I just love these rainbow cells. Look at that. It's amazing. I love it. And I did get in the white, I got these hairline cracks. And only where there's white, even like right in there, there's a little bit. So I think I'm headed in the right direction, And the white that cracked, I think, is the house paint. So I'm staying positive about the paint. And also, another thing I did, I had a little bit left over, and I got a 6x6 canvas, and you can see there's no cracks on this anywhere. It turned out really cool. The only thing I changed was I used FolkArt White Pearl, and this one turned out really good. It dried fabulous. So I'm feeling pretty good that I'm headed in the right direction, all right? So stay tuned for my continued experimentation. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.